Hello guys, welcome back to my other videos. Today I have something very different. Not games, not a reaction about something, but can you guess? A kit? Not just an Arduino kit. An Arduino kit. To be exact, an Arduino Uno R3 kit. So let's open it and see. But first, if you want to see more of these videos of programming, Arduino kits, courses of programming, like, share and subscribe. So let's open it and see. Wow. So this is the kit. Lots of parts. Very nice, guys. So let's open it and see what's inside. So this is our kit. So let's open it. We have our list here of the components. They don't label here what's their name. So this is the kit. Over here we have an ultrasonic sensor. These make sound when they work, but you won't hear it because they make ultrasound in a frequency that you can't hear it. But if you have a dog or cat, they can hear it working. This over here, let me take it out for you, is a 2-digit 7-segment display. Here it looks like this. And over here we have a 4-digit 7-segment display. You can make out of it lots of things like timers, etc. Here is a servo motor with extra parts. I don't know what is this, but this is a high quality breadboard, and we remove like this. Here we have some push buttons. You can make an alarm system. I found here some jumper wires, here some more of them, over here, some jumper wires. Male to female jumper wires. Oh, and here is a CD for instructions. Here we have some badges and something not expected. Resistors, bunch of LEDs, active buzzers, and more. Potentiometers and a motor, some more push buttons, more different push buttons. Here's the connector cable for the Arduino Uno. This here is a humidity sensor. You can make a rain sensor with it. This is a stepper motor. You can find it in every kit. We already looked at this, I think. No, this is a servo motor, not a servo motor, but you control the stepper motor with this. We have a LCD display. Something new, a battery holder. Let's see here. Joystick. Oh, I didn't expect this. A tiny breadboard and an Arduino shield. And the star of the show, the Arduino Uno R3. Let's open this bag. I think we need some scissors here. Here's the pins. Oh, it's high quality. And the microcontroller, the connector. Let's take a closer look at it. Scissors. I need some scissors here. Thank you. Here. It's not opened yet. Oh no, it's opened, I think. Oh, it's very hard to open. I think I need some help. Very cool gadgets here. Not expected. I was not expecting this tiny breadboard. I was not expecting the Arduino shield. I was not expecting this battery holder. This 2-digit 7-segment display, etc. here. And we have the Arduino. Here is it. The Arduino Uno R3. The digital and analog pins, the microcontroller, and reset button here. Some other things like voltage regulator, 5 volt, 3.3 volt pins, etc. So guys, this is all what's in this kit. I hope you like this video. If you want to see more and more, like, share and subscribe. Bye for now.